Hello everybody, here is the 1.8 HMH lesson, reading lesson for today. Today is Thursday, September 17th. Okay, so we're going to reread where we left off yesterday, so we're just not confused, okay? We were reading with the story Spoon, and we were talking about how Spoon felt very unfortunate and not lucky because he was a spoon and that everybody else could do things he couldn't do. And then the author showed us, well, how all the other utensils are jealous of Spoon because Spoon can do things that they cannot. So let's go ahead and read the page where we left off. Spoon is so lucky, said Fork. He gets to measure stuff. No one ever does that with me. So what he means is, see how Fork is he's looking at Spoon like, oh man, see, he's way cooler than me. He can do all that stuff. Here's Chopsticks. The Chopsticks say, Spoon is so lucky, said Chopsticks. He can go places by himself. We could never function apart. What they mean is, in order to use chopsticks properly, they have to be together. You have to use two in order to pick things up with. You can't pick anything up with one. All right, now this is the part we haven't read. That night, after bedtime stories, Spoon's mother turned off the light, tucked him in, and said, You know, Spoon, I wonder if you realize just how lucky you are. Oops. Just how lucky you are. He's like, huh? All right, the main character of the story often gets advice from other characters that are more wise or older. So in this case, the main character of the story is Spoon, and he is getting advice from his mother, who is wiser and older, right? When this happens, children should not stop. If the advice doesn't make sense, they can use a strategy. All right, so why might you use, let's look at this picture. What are the wise words that the mom says to this child? She says to Spoon, Mom tells Spoon, I wonder if you realize how lucky you are. So her advice is that, hey, you're a pretty lucky kid, right? And now he's getting to think, I wonder why Mom said that. Why does Mom think I'm lucky? Let's continue to read and find out. Your friends will never know the joy of diving headfirst into a bowl of ice cream. How does this picture help us understand that what diving headfirst means? Where is he diving? He is diving literally his head first. The picture shows Spoon heading into the bowl of ice cream as if he jumped off a diving board. He's diving right in there, right? Do you think Spoon is lucky because he can do this? I think he's lucky. I love ice cream, and I'd love to dive in a pool of ice cream. Can you imagine in real life diving into a pool of ice cream? That'd be really cool. That'd be yummy. Let's keep reading. They'll never know what it feels like to clink against the side of a cereal bowl. They'll never be able to twirl around in a mug or relax in a hot cup of tea. That's true. All right, let's underline two things Spoon can do that make him lucky. He can what? He can clink against the side of a cereal bowl. That makes him lucky. It's not letting me highlight, but anyway, that's one of the lucky things he can do. He can also relax in a hot cup of tea. And the pictures help us understand this because look at Spoon here. Isn't he happy? He's like, I love cereal. He's jumping right in there. And here he looks like he's relaxing next to the tea bag. He's saying, hi. Right? Nice and relaxing. Like sitting in a jacuzzi, maybe. All right, let's look at the next page. Spoon hadn't thought of it that way before. He lay awake in bed for a long time. His mind was racing. He felt so alive. There was only one thing to do. I can't sleep. Come on, snuggle. Come, Spoon. Come snuggle. Come, Spoon. So his mom and dad say, come snuggle with us. Come here. How does Spoon's mood change from the beginning of the story till now? In the beginning of the story, he was sad, right? Like, oh man, everybody else can do things I can't. And now he looks like maybe he's happy right here in the picture where he's in the cup of tea and the cereal. But now he kind of looks like he might be worried, right? At the beginning, he didn't feel lucky. He felt blue because he was different. At the end, he feels lucky. He is different in his own ways, and that makes him feel alive. Now, what problem does Spoon have? Why does he look worried here? He feels so alive that he can't relax and sleep. Oh, so he did. So he did. Now he's really with his parents all snug. That's awesome. Okay, let's go ahead and finish this up. You have quite a few assignments to do today. So what I'm going to ask you to do today is the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take the quiz off of based off the story. I assigned it to you on your HMH under my assignments. If you can't find it there, then let me know. If you can't find it there, let me know, because it should be there, okay? But if you can't find it there, I went ahead and I attached it to this lesson on Google Classroom. So it's there as an attachment. You can answer the questions on a piece of paper, take a picture, and turn it in. Another thing I want you to do today, we have two things to do. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to finish that quiz. And both things you can either do on a piece of paper and turn it into me, or you can do it in HMH under my assignments and turn it into me. Okay? I preferred for you to do it under HMH because that's what we need to start getting used to. If for some reason you're having a hard time and it's just getting really frustrating, then just do it on a piece of paper. Okay? All right. So first thing you're going to do is the quiz. The second thing you're going to do is you're going to do your writing. So what are we writing about? In your opinion, which character in Spoon has the most important job? Is it fork? Is it knife? Is it chopsticks? Is it spoon? Look for details in the words and pictures to help you decide. So first we're going to make a plan. You're going to draw this out. You're going to first write what character you choose in the chart. So you're going to say Spoon, for example. If you want to say Spoon, you're going to say Spoon has the most important job. And then you're going to give me 3 reasons why. Fork has the most important job. Give me 3 reasons why. Chopstick has the most important job. Give me 3 reasons why. Knife has the most important job. Give me 3 reasons why. Okay? And then you are going to write your opinion about the character you chose. And you're going to include reasons that tell why you think that that character has the most important job. Remember, the characters are spoon, knife, fork, chopsticks. Okay? You're going to use your opinion words because this is your opinion. Everyone's opinion is different. I believe or I think. You're going to start off by saying that. So I believe, or you could say I think. I believe knife, it has the most important job. Important job. Because, and then you're going to write your reasons, blah, 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 blah. And then blah, 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 and blah, 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 blah. Okay? And then give me details. Okay? That's how you're going to start it off. Use words like and because, and also tell more about your reasons. It should be at least a paragraph long. A paragraph is anywhere between 5 to 8 sentences. All right, so you can. I gave you this is how it should look on HMH under my assignments. So if you can log in there under my assignments, go ahead and complete that there. If you can't, again, just do it on a piece of paper. All right, guys. All right, so just make sure you get it done and then turn it into me on Google Classroom. If you have any questions, let me know. I'm online all day, so email me and I can talk to you about it. All right, have fun learning, guys. See you later. Bye.